Yep. Feel free to put everything down the counter. Awesome. I put my bed in my phone in it. Sit where, you said? Sorry?
So, sit next to me, we're heading out.
Cool. Where do you want to stand, George? Does it matter if we stand up? money in it lately, like picking right up. Something jumped up there.
So I got one of those, and I used it once. As soon as I realized I had to do everything through an app, it stayed in the bag.
Oh, and this one you don't have to do it on an app.
Mine's an older one.
Yeah, this is the first one. Yeah. I just once I put the memory card in my phone, I'm done. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I actually just went and bought a $1,500 phone, one of the new Samsungs, and because I'm for my drones, and you can't put a memory card in it, and none of the apps for my drones work in the phone. So it's like I bought a really nice phone, I can't use it for work.
You open up your phone and put the memory thing in?
Yeah, you put the memory card right in, and it's like you can plug it into a cord too and do it the same way, but if the phone don't take a memory card. But yeah, the app is basically so you can it helps you with like your editing. It gives you all the editing and stuff like that. Just more of an advertisement. It does. I use it sometimes. Right. And they're expensive. GoPros are outrageous. I didn't catch anything. Yeah, I went down to I wasn't on a boat or anything. I went down to what's that bridge that had that accident in the 80s there? A lot of people died. It's Skyway Bridge. Yeah, I was on the. Have you, Jordan, have you ever been like tropical fishing?
One in Jamaica,
really?
one in the Keys.
Have you ever been like that kind of southern fishing in like
ocean?
When
I was younger, so I only did like pond fishing.
That's the only time I've ever fished in like Florida areas when I went down last year. I've never really traveled. that you mounted on.
I want to get one of the ones that go in the pole too.
Oh yeah.
Get that full angle.
Dude, that's what I was saying. I'd like to tie it. They make the camera so you put it on the line facing the back, so when you pull it in, you see the fish. Yeah.
I feel they do mackerel.
Yeah. Dude, imagine it kind of biting right on the camera of a shot. Dude, that'd be dope. That'd be awesome. That'd be really cool. Yeah, you need to. Yeah, definitely we do have to throw. I'd be nervous with it. You have to have a full power. Well, it ain't that so much that is that when the boat's always moving, I can't just land it flat on the boat. You have to grab it with your hand.
It hits the boat before you
Yeah, well, it reads when I was under it, so if the boat's moving and shit, it's gonna be hard. Yeah, it'd be hard. I've seen enough of them go in the water off the boat.
Yeah, remember it gets whipped with that one.
Yeah. Dude, I seen a guy crash that big one like that, one of those big fires off the boat too. I wouldn't even bring that out there. I don't care how big the boat was, or it'd have to be a cruise ship. And I'd have to hold it. Yeah. That big bastard. I don't even take it off of my deck because it's so small, the deck, I'm afraid I'll hit something. Yeah, boy. Almost 300 feet deep, 240 foot deep. That's where all them UFOs are, underwater. That's how the mackerels did, we just abducted them. They're gonna go back to water. Yeah.
Here's the dump when it's soft, right? You get a big and soft, deep, shallow, up right on.
Yeah, it's 8:25. I thought it was actually later than that, but I didn't know, wasn't sure.
So we're supposed to pick up out of the south?
Go with the current, with the flow. Which that water's cold. Oh yeah, it ain't too bad though. Actually, it's really pretty warm. No, I ain't swimming in that big one. You ain't catch me in that shit. I don't even like to swim in lakes.
Don't do that.
No, I wouldn't, dude.
It's actually not that bad.
The reason I
actually wouldn't mind swimming in
the
that.
reason I don't like the ocean is
Who's got dirty feet? Jordan?
oh maybe
Sorry, brother.
it could be me too.
I booted them off.
Fish blood only. Fish blood you got from the floor only.
Screw up the boat for an hour and a half last night. All nice and clean today. I like the nice clean boat.
See, I'm not the only one, Jordan. See, he wouldn't be able to be around you. He gets mad when I'm in my car. I bitch at him.
Stripe fishing, it's freaking trash.
Yeah.
Sit on the chin and then it blows off the bottom of them things.
Alright, here you go, brother.
They ain't even made to be worn in the dirt.
Well, it was wet when we got out. We parked up in that grass.
I'm saying those are designer boots. They're not even made to be out in the dirt. They're like freaking dressy boots. Bringing rednecks fishing.
What I mean?
Yeah. It's bad. Yeah. They don't put no kind of coat over it. What's that, just gel coat? Paint it up. Your girlfriend, she was living with it. Yeah, that's right. This is gonna go over. Sit on the side there. Size of you, baby. Woo. Freezing. Yeah, I got a video. Man, it's really fucking dying.
I was just gonna say, I watched that stream. My boss started thinking about getting tuna fishing, and well, they don't get how much time. And it's over limit. These guys haven't been able to fish for 3 weeks because it's over limit. It's down to September 1st. Better off just going out and having fun.
Some folks like to say that less is more, but
Oh, he's got a vagina. He can stick it in there.
Sorry, doesn't have a little thing to stick in place.
Really anchor it.
They were really coming up checking that out, huh?
And then put this tight, put that tight on.
Oops, there you go. You're skinny, my friend. It goes around you 6 times. Is that tight? That's a beer can.
Oh my God!
Dude, I do know that for the parties. I don't even drink it. I just play it around. Dude, I was thinking, dude, that's cool. That's the first time ever in Maine, bro. I've ever seen a shot goose a while. That was fun. That's neat. You know, so that's cool. Yeah, Grandpa. Oh, we will, dude. That's what I said. If you want to reel it first, I'll get some, phone video for you. It's a good sign, though. Already, we ain't even been here 10 minutes, and it's friggin' they're already showing. Already showing. What types of whales are out here like that? You think that was back there? Blue whales?
Pilot whales, Mickeys, whatever.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
probably back whales.
Pilot.
No shit.
A little small. It wasn't huge.
Big enough, man.
Yeah. Thank you, though.
A whale of a fish.
A whale's a pretty good fight. Hell yeah.
I would think so.
I wonder if anybody's ever actually accidentally even caught one. I caught a seagull on a line. Actually, I didn't. My ex-girlfriend's kid did, dude.
We used to harpoon them back in the day, remember?
Yeah, but I mean, like
Well, that's
nowadays on
what
a
I was telling him,
line.
and he was like talking about like how it'd be crazy and everything. I'm thinking, they did it like 6 guys
Yeah,
wooden
in a canoe,
rowboat.
yeah.
They were sitting out there freaking slamming chum and just waiting for they caught one. And they freaking stabbed it each
Dude,
time.
my ex's son caught a seagull with a lure one time down in not Camp Ellis, but if you go down the other end of Old Orchard Beach, way down that cove.
Pine Point.
Yeah, Pine Point, yeah. And I'll tell you what, it took 4 of us to hold that thing on the ground and without getting attacked. Like, it was fucking putting up a fight of its life, man. I felt so bad, dude. It was
Dudes, if you ever do
getting
that, get a towel.
Yeah.
And then as you get to cover the bird in a wet towel so it protects its feathers. And
Oh, yeah.
slowly get to where
Right.
the line is and work that way to that spot.
Nice, all right.
Keep the beat from changing.
Yeah. Yeah, I felt so bad. It was like they said, the bird hurt itself trying to fight.
Explode up there?
Yeah, I'm getting it now.
Oh, dude, nice. He's still there too. He looks like he's. Maybe you get lucky. Maybe,
Oh, right there.
oh, damn. You gotta start singing shark.
Should we use a pink, a green, and a red?
Yeah. I was hoping you wouldn't pick pink, would you?
Oh, I saw his tail.
Shit, he knows we're here. Oh shit.
But it should come up in this. It'll come up in the surface probably. You get some good footage.
They're curious, huh?
Yeah. They're like big baby.
Dogs, yeah.
Maybe on the basket. Nose to nose. Zinc. Something up with the.
Oh, yeah? That's it. Huh. Oh, yeah. Whoops, I can go bigger than. There's something swimming right there. Little thing swimming like little. Oh, excuse me.
Tail out to get you all hot and bothered.
Right? No, I pulled away. I gave it to the I didn't use it. Oh, yeah. After I called it back, I said give me 6 at once. What's the 3 months? What is it? I think I got 2. Oh shit. My brain's still not awake. I think the bedtime after 3 is. My dog wouldn't leave me alone, so my head really. Well, that change of fluids, she had to shit like a day and a half. She was back downstairs. She had to come up with a rubber ass where I got to go, and I think that was nasty. So I hate that. Frankly, I changed the rug in the house. I didn't realize it's hooked up. Oh, God. There you go. Oh, we got a very angle. Oh, yeah, okay.
Can't bring it home.
You'd be surprised, we'll get it there. Tie it to the
That's why I brought the truck too. 'Cause
Yeah.
I figured if I got a big one, I got an 8-foot bed. I got 2 straps.
tie it to the tailgate and show it off.
Cut it all up and stuff, man. Can't bring it home whole. I know. I actually remember my freaking Sawzall. Freaking.
See, I told my
Yeah,
buddy,
it's the biggest
They're like, what if
Sawzall.
you can't take it home? What do you want out of it? I'm like, just want the jaws. I got a set of Poor Beagle jaws from last year that's still sitting in my freezer. I haven't cleaned them yet. I got 2 nice Mako jaws that I cleaned, put them on the wall. Got another Mako when I cleaned it for my
See,
buddy.
honestly, it's like I think that's a little bit better than like with trophies with like
Yeah.
I mean, that's cool and whatnot, but that's a big money. That's a big thing. You got to stick on the side of the wall.
What do you boil it out? Boil it all up? No?
So, primarily once you get it going, if you freeze it and do it at a later date, you're going to sit there and cut all the meat and all the tissue off of it.
Yeah.
Oh,
Throw it in
okay.
between the teeth, so like a bunch of different types of X-Acto knives and get some picks.
Oh, wow.
Really get down into all those layers of each other.
Got one? Oh man! All right. You win the dollar on the first fish, even though I won first fish. That's 3 on 1. The old Christmas tree. The old Christmas tree trick. Oh, well, there must be a school of them. Oh wow! Oh, I thought it was a big one for a minute. Scared me. Got me excited. like swim right up close to the top. I wish I could remember that kid's name that I saw at the store that day that used to date Kelly. He said. At least we know they're out there. I'm gonna make a prediction right now, Jordan. If you use that that little small mackerel in there, you're gonna catch a shark with it. Watch, if you use this bait. It's my prediction for the day. I feel it. I make predictions. I'm gonna call it. It's gonna be a small one.
Sharks, but the smaller sharks by the boat, I did bring up some stand-up gear. Spinning rod. Put on a spinning rod.
Try that deep. Let's see what happens. They used to do it. They used to do a thing in Camp Ellis, didn't they, where like once a year they lay them out on the thing. I thought scientists had something to do with it. I haven't seen this.
Shark tournaments.
Is that what it was? Yeah.
Shark tournament every year, but they don't know if many anymore.
Yeah, it's been a few years since I've seen them actually do that. Yeah, that's ridiculous. That's COVID. Now you got to worry about monkeypox. Well, not really, but. Jordan, you have to worry about monkeys. Did you talk to Joe this morning at all? Yeah, I think he was up all night. How did COVID, did it affect you guys? Like, no? I figured more people would be doing it, you know what I mean? Being out and
Last year COVID was my best year yet.
Yeah.
Money-wise.
Nice.
Last year beat that, and this year's going to beat the year before.
Well, nobody working, so everybody's bored.
Well, especially that. But then, one thing is, yes, more people say to go for and that sort of thing, so that kind of sparked it. There's a lot more people that I'm getting now.
Right.
Who actually live in the state of Maine. Like my first years, I might have done 1 or 2 trips with people.
Oh, okay.
Now I'm doing a dozen.
How long have you been doing it?
2012 was my first full year.
Nice.
11 was my what? What made you want to get into it? I got my captain's license. I didn't know people. A buddy of mine has a full-time job. He got his captain's license years ago. And he just did it part-time here and there. Did a handful of trips or a dozen trips this season. And I paid for his boat slip and all of his fuel for this summer. And that's all pretty much what I wanted to do. So I got my captain's license and I was going. And then I ordered a brand new boat. Went on vacation, came back to close out the month and get ready for a big seminar for my clients. And the owner of the company, the general manager, and my boss came in and said, we're eliminating your position. Hey, cancel the order on the boat.
Wow.
I decided to get my guide license.
It was a sign.
I couldn't get a job because nobody was back
Right.
in 2000. It was back in 2011 and the recession was still going strong here.
That's
So
crazy.
I decided that. I got my mortgage license. So I started selling some mortgages here and there and doing this and slowly kept on building this.
Is it a big process to get a captain's license?
It's a course you have to take.
Right.
I think mine was a total like 14 weeks and I got my master's license. I wanted to have a master's license.
Nice. Yeah, with that drone, you have to get a Part 107 license. It's like quite the process for that.
You gotta get the guide license.
Yeah, it's basically a pilot's license almost. You got to know all the lingo that the pilots talk and all that. It's pretty hard, but you don't.
You're in their airspace.
Right, but the thing is like they don't know I'm there, but I know my drones alert me to planes, but the planes don't alert me, right? But and I don't talk to them, so I don't know why I got to know the lingo.
Well, in case you get sucked up.
No, yeah, but I don't mean nothing about the lingo, like all the codes
Hey,
and
I'm
everything.
about to suck into your engine.
Yeah, no, I don't even
Someone
fly
go for
close.
that. Mayday.
That can never.
shit.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Yeah. That's my biggest fear is to not ever know there's a plane in the air and oh my god,
Oh yeah,
I
you just
don't know.
snuck up on you, never even